Replacing your doors is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home in Clinton Township. A new door doesn't just improve curb appeal, it also enhances security, energy efficiency, and everyday comfort. With Michigan's changing seasons, from cold winters to humid summers, choosing the right door material is especially important. The best option balances durability, insulation, style, and long-term value. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you choose the ideal material for your replacement doors. Steel doors. Strength and security. You can trust steel doors are a popular choice for homeowners who prioritize security and durability. They are incredibly strong, resistant to warping, and stand up well to harsh weather conditions common in Clinton Township. Modern steel doors often feature insulated cores that help maintain indoor temperatures, which can lower heating costs during winter. Another benefit is affordability. Steel doors typically cost less than solid wood while offering excellent performance. They also require minimal maintenance, just occasional cleaning and repainting if needed. For homeowners seeking peace of mind without sacrificing style, steel doors are available in a wide range of finishes and designs. Fiberglass doors. Versatile and weather-resistant fiberglass doors are an excellent all-around option, especially for Michigan's climate. They resist dents, rust, and moisture, making them ideal for areas exposed to rain, snow, and temperature swings. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of real wood while offering superior durability and energy efficiency. These doors are low maintenance and won't crack or swell over time. Many homeowners in Clinton Township choose fiberglass because it offers the beauty of wood without the upkeep. If you want a balance of style, performance, and longevity, fiberglass is hard to beat. Wood doors. Classic beauty and natural warmth. Wood doors remain a favorite for homeowners who value timeless elegance and character. They add warmth and charm that's hard to replicate with other materials, making them perfect for traditional or upscale homes in Clinton Township. However, wood doors do require more maintenance. They can be affected by moisture and temperature changes, so regular sealing or refinishing is necessary to prevent warping or cracking. For homeowners willing to invest time and care, wood doors deliver unmatched aesthetic appeal and customization options. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern style with light and openness for contemporary homes or patio entrances, aluminum and glass doors are a stylish option. Aluminum frames are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and strong, while glass panels bring in natural light and create a sense of openness. These doors are especially popular for sliding or modern entryway designs. With insulated and impact-resistant glass options available, they can still provide good energy efficiency and security when properly installed. Choosing what's right for your home. The best replacement door material depends on your priorities, whether that's security, energy efficiency, maintenance, or design. Clinton Township homeowners should also consider how the door complements the home's exterior, withstands local weather, and fits within their budget. Working with experienced local professionals can make the decision easier. They understand regional climate demands and can recommend materials that perform well year-round. With the right material choice, your replacement door will not only look great but also protect and enhance your home for years to come.